Guys, what's up? Welcome to your favorite channel Tech Job. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit bell icon for latest job related video notification. So TechVerito is going to conduct a recruitment drive for fresher as well as experience, and the eligibility criteria of this job is if you are from 2019 and 2020 batch and BTech pass out, the branch is CS and IT, and cutoff marks is 65% throughout the engineering. The role is software development, and the CTC provided by the company is 4 lakh to 6 lakh as per your interview. The location of the job is in Pune, and currently they are going to give you work from home because of COVID-19. Key skill they are demanding like HTML, CSS, jQuery, any programming language like C, C++, Java, Python, DS, data structure, and experience in Angular, React, Golang, Ruby, Node.js, AWS, DevOps. So the process of selection is in 3 steps. First is online test, second is technical interview, and HR interview. I paste the link in the description box. Go and apply for this job.